Welcome everyone. This is the case study based question from chapter 2 Polynomials. Case study question number 1. The below picture are few natural examples of parabolic shape which is represented by a quadratic polynomial. A parabolic arch is an arch in the shape of a parabola. In structures, their curves represent an efficient method of load and so can be found in bridges and in architecture in a variety of forms. So here you can see the images. You can see the images of parabola. These are some question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's solve the question. Here you can see question number 1. So question number 1 is question number 1 in the standard form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, a, b and c are. What are a, b, c? So first option is all are real numbers. It is correct. All are rational numbers. A is non-zero real number and B, C are any real numbers. Option D is all are integers. So A, B, C are real numbers. They are rational numbers. They may be integers, but the correct option is C. A is a non-zero real number. This should not be zero. A is not equals to 0. So the correct option will be C, option C. A is a non-zero real number and B and C are any real numbers. If A becomes 0, if A is 0, then this entire term will be 0 and then in that case this expression will not be a quadratic polynomial. So A must not be equal to 0. Question 2 is if the roots of the quadratic polynomial are equal where the discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac, then what would be the value of d? So here the value of d will be 0. The correct answer is d. Here, when the roots are equal, what do you mean by roots are equal? So here you can see the image. This image shows the roots of two roots, both the roots of the polynomial are equal. One root is here, one root is this, both the roots are here and they are same. In this figure, in this polynomial, both the roots are here and they both are same. And when now here you can see in the second image, both the zeros are equal, then the polynomial gets this shape. Here both the zeros are equal, they both are same, and in this case d is equal to 0. D is b square minus 4ac. Here in this polynomial two zeros are here, two zeros. So if there are two zeros, in that case the value of d will be more than 0. And this one, when there is no zero, no real zeros, in that case the value of d will be less than 0, or we can say d is positive or more than 0, or we can say d is less than 0, we can say d is negative, and d is equal to 0 if both the zeros are equal. Both the zeros are equal. Here there are two distinct real zeros, and here in this polynomial there are no real zeros. Here we have third question. Question number 3. If alpha and 1 upon alpha are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 2x square minus x plus 8k, then k is, we have to find the value of k. So this a is 2. In this polynomial, the coefficient of x square is a, which is 2. Here coefficient of x is b, which is minus 1, and this is c, 8k. We are given the two roots alpha and 1 upon alpha. We have to find the value of k. So we'll take these two, a by c. We know that product of roots is equal to c by a. Alpha into 1 by alpha, this will be cancelled and this will be equal to 1, and c by a. C is 8k, a is 2, cross multiply this with this, you'll get 8k equals to this with this 2, k equals to 2, this 8 will go in division and it is 1 by 4. So the value of k is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means this is the correct answer. Let's do the fourth part. This question number 4, the graph of x square plus 1 is equal to 0. There are four options: intersect x-axis at two distinct points, touches x-axis at a point, neither touches nor intersects x-axis, either touches or intersects x-axis. If we solve x square plus 1 is equal to 0, x square equals to minus 1, and x equals to plus minus square root of minus 1. So square root of a negative number, it is not a real number. Not a real number. So the value of x is not a real number. And if the zeros are not a real number, not real, then the graph neither touches nor intersects x-axis. This is the correct answer. Neither touches nor intersects x-axis. This is the correct answer for this part. Question number 5 is, if the sum of the roots is minus p and product of the roots is minus 1 upon p. So sum of the roots means alpha plus beta is given minus p, and product of the roots means alpha into beta is given minus 1 upon p. Then quadratic polynomial, which one of these will be the quadratic polynomial? So we know that k times x square minus sum of the roots x plus product of the roots. You can write like this. Now k times x square minus sum of the zeros or sum of the roots is minus p x plus product is minus 1 upon p. Let's solve it. K x square minus into minus p plus px, and this is minus 1 upon p. So can you see the correct option? It is x square plus px minus 1 upon p. So this is the correct answer for this part. Now all the 5 parts of this questions we have finished, we have completed. Now let's meet in our next video for next question. Keep on learning. Thank you so much.